be on YouTube tonight.
Probably so.
I know when that building caught on fire over here, so they had it on YouTube that night.
Oh, that was me.
Huh?
That was me.
That was you?
Yeah.
Coming from this side or that side?
They're gonna do everything up there.
Yeah, they have to.
And they just said there was a big old wreck right there.
I just squared down from this side.
I was going to 35, some dude got ran over on the other side of 35.
Alright, well y'all watch out, I got vehicles to move. Shit.
Well, I heard a big noise. This is my back room. I heard a big noise and saw these limbs right there. That car hit that one and it went down this deal. So that's when I went out there and recorded what you saw before. Crazy. There's part of the marker for the turn signal right there. That orange piece.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that street cats you're talking about, one of them had...
Took that tree down.
One of them had kittens yesterday.
Yeah, but there's no need to cause wreck.
You got that big truck and you always park in that same spot, like you can handle that giant hole.
That crater.
What's up, crowd?
Yeah, really familiar, man. You've been around the same artist forever.
Yes, I have.
Usually not the refrigerator. Well, I'm not around my door. It's so messed up. I park leaning where your truck is. Then my driver's door is the latching to you.
I don't know. I mean, it's better than TV because the TV I get to watch is not a 2-year-old in the house. There's fucking cartoons.
Oh my god.
Well, I'm the one that shut the fire over there on that red building. It's the video. That's my stuff.
Why Fred
We saw that last summer when we were looking for a place to rent. That's funny.
That thing's got like 2,000 hits, dude. You know, I contacted the news, the major news. Yeah, that one that they redid and they redid it red.
John?
Yeah. What's your name?
Sean.
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 Yeah. It's short for Christian. There was too many Christmases. My lady Fred was too busy. I've been quick to change it. I understand. I'm not one of those guys that made up my own name and told everybody to call me that. No. It just turned into it.
I was kind of waiting for this car to drop now. They're pulling it out, dude. It's just like...
Yeah, I want to see how strong that wall is.
The YouTube clip, here's why you should... God.
Here's the next day. Here's the tree, obviously still here. Me and Troy's gonna go up on top of the hill there. We're gonna go around the other way, sweetie.
Where?
We can walk around over here. Alright, we're gonna walk around and... Okay, this is the road that the wreck occurred on.
Yeah. It's a car down there.
There was a car down there last night, yep. My room is right down there. That's Troy's room.
Yep.
And my room.
Here.
This must be where the chemicals and stuff were.
Somebody get hurt.
To soak up the whatever.
Where's the...
This is where the car was, right here.
Right here is... You got a crash. Accident.
And there was a car right there.
Car
And then my car is right there. But my car was actually backed up about 10 feet.
Yep.
So you can see all the...
Okay, look at me. It's like this.
Yeah. You got me on film?
Yep. Okay.
Here's a...
Something happened.
It's like the fog light, I guess.
Yep.
It's attempting to move this tree, but...
Yep, Dad.
It's
Yep.
going nowhere. And that's it.
Yep. Something's.
You know, Scully, I'm not so sure we're dealing with a car wreck here.
I know, Dad.
These parts look alien.